How would you like na maging libre na yung Meralco bill mo? Meaning, wala ka nang babayaran sa kuryente mo. Tapos ito pa yung malupit. Instead na ikaw yung magbabayad, si Meralco pa yung magbabayad sa iyo. Well, magagawa mo to if you are a dividend investor in the Philippine stock market. Kung saan, you invest in mga stocks na nagbibigay ng regular dividends. And isa sa mga stocks na ito is Meralco. And as of this video, Meralco is actually giving 4.26% in dividends per year. Meaning, kapag yung kuryente mo is around nasa 3,000, kami personally, nasa 3,000 yung bill namin monthly. So, yung 3,000 times mo yan by 12 months, that's 36,000 per month in Meralco bills. Okay, in bills ko sa kuryente. However, if you invest in Meralco, okay, you just need a capital of 845,000. Okay, 845,000 yung capital na you invest in Meralco. Tapos nagbibigay siya ng 4.26% in dividends per year. Magkakaroon ka ng 36,000 in dividends. Divide mo by 12 months, meron ka ng 3,000 per month in dividends. Yan yung pambayad mo sa kuryente mo. Basically, maging libre na yung kuryente mo for life. Well, assuming na hindi natataas yung kuryente mo or yung bill mo or yung consumption mo. But anyway, if you're interested to learn more about investing in the stock market, especially being a dividend investor, check out the link in the description or in the comment section below.